So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 3rd of August. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So a pre-test, so some breakdown towards this 1160, slight trade through 1160 all the way down towards 1140, had consolidation around the 1160, so another breakdown, made new lows in towards the 1130s, but we did not see the follow through down towards that 111. Instead, what we did see was the bullish momentum return to the market as it has on the previous occasion, breaking back above the 1160. So if we do continue to hold the 1160 as support, possibly looking for a move towards that 1215, and if there is volatility to bring us beyond the 1215, the very next levels of note here to the upside are move up towards that 1252, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 1277. I don't anticipate price moving much beyond the 1277 here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen, and similarly to the downside, if we do continue to hold resistance either around that 400 period moving average, or we do break down from that 1160, the very next level of note of course is the 111, successful break from which we're looking for move down to the 1073. Previous in area we found support here on the US dollar Japanese yen, and if we do have sufficient volatility in the coming days or so, possibly even a move down towards that 1020, if we do see a somewhat counter-trend move here on the US dollar Japanese yen. With that degree of volatility, I suppose I should mention 1304 to the upside if we are to see if we do continue to break and hold at these levels previously identified on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. Let's see how prices are developing. Let's get on here correct. As you can see here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we are clearly in an uptrend. More recently, of course, we did have the acceleration and momentum to the upside up towards our 1304. Sharp pullback, found support in around our 1073 without a confluence of the 400 period average. Had this consolidation, strong bullish move, tested 1215. A very strong candle up towards that 1215, perfect test 1215. Now these candles open and close ranges are still pretty narrow despite them being bearish, suggesting at present we do have more of a retracement than a reversal. Candles open to close range isn't very large, isn't bearish, and so possibly looking at a bull flag forming here if that happens to be the case, and we do still see these narrow open to close ranges on bearish candles. Possibly looking for, especially if we do hold that support around 1160, for a bullish continuation beyond the 1215, and might even see price head up towards our 1304, previously an area from which we've encountered resistance, which brought us back down towards this 1073. And with that said, that pretty much wraps easy analysis. Thanks for watching.